So in today's therapy session, random thoughts and a bit of an experiment. I wanted to see how a video mixing Canadian and German HO, British 00, and S-gauge American Flyer would work. Would it be jarring going randomly from one to the next, or would it be just kind of fun and interesting? We'll find out today with a bunch of Steam logos. As for the random thoughts, I often get them during train asylum therapy sessions, and whether you like it or not, today is no exception. You'll know when they're about to drop when this appears. And when over, the asylum's random thoughtometer will pop up with a psychological assessment that will then be reviewed off camera by my train asylum psychiatrist, who will adjust my prescription accordingly. That's the plan. Let's see how it all turns out. Let's fire up the trains. So I flipped on the screeny screen of Perpetual Lethargy and I stumbled upon a YouTuber telling us what he's ordering from the latest Lionel O-Gauge catalog. Now I'm not too familiar with that stuff, so I dialed in to see what I was missing. The YouTuber prefaced his shopping list by saying he was constrained by budget. Well, who isn't, right? But if I heard correctly, his budget was somewhere in the region of 10 grand, US dollars. And that's just for this catalog. Now, he is a very successful model train YouTuber. I'm sure his channel generates tons of revenue. His Patreons and subscribers, and if he's really lucky, a toy train-loving sugar mama probably expect him to spend that much so they can live vicariously through him. All good. But, I do worry about folks thinking of getting into the hobby being scared off seeing that kind of spend being tossed out there like it was normal. It's not. It really isn't. Most of us are working with a lot less cash, evading worried glances from our own sugar mamas, waiting for deep discounts, shopping the used market, and fixing up basket cases. You don't need to spend a fortune. After all, when it comes to model trains, the magic happens with your imagination, not your line of credit. Gosh, that was clever. Don't you think that was clever? Hey, isn't it great that we don't have to pay royalties to inventors of famous sandwiches every time we make a PB&J or a BLT or something? Wait a minute, we don't, right? God, that'd really suck if I've been missing payments all these years. Oh, great, something else to worry about. Are there model trains or toy trains on other planets? And if so, what scale? On a related note, Star Wars, Star Trek, Battlestar Galactica. No trains. I personally think Darth Vader, the Klingons, and Cylons could have used some quality time with trains to unwind, maybe regain some perspective. Might have saved everyone a lot of grief. Why on earth did I do this? An HO scale layout and an S scale layout in a tight space. Is it the ultimate demonstration of indecisiveness? I mean, I really like the detail and range of the smaller scales, and the running characteristics are quite convincing, especially going slow. But the post-war flyers are, well, kind of more about fun. Back in the day, they were toys with attitude, scale correct in many respects, but they never took themselves too seriously. Flyers are like big old hound dogs, while HO and O trains are more like dachshunds and corgis. A bit more serious and always on the lookout for dangers from above. Both very lovable, but in quite different ways. So yeah, two layouts, tight squeeze. If I can contain the belly fat, everything should be fine. Well, I guess that's the thought experiment video done and dusted. Wonder how it turned out. You already know because you've been watching it, but I haven't a clue. I haven't seen it yet. So I think I might pop upstairs, fire up YouTube, and have a look and see if it held together at all. Might get a sandwich too. I'm kind of hungry. But I better check with my accountant first about those missed royalty payments. Darn it. Anyway, toodaloo.